Hi everyone, my name is Tina Kuyak and I'd like to tell you a little bit about myself. I am married to the most incredible man and his name is Brian. We have 2 grown children and 2 beautiful granddaughters, ages 3 and 5. We have 3 fur babies, 2 dogs and a cat, and their rescues, and all of them put together are my reasons why I work for myself online. It was really simple to get started. All I needed to do was register with my name and my email and watch a complimentary live virtual session. And at the end of it, I knew this was for me. I want to share some of the benefits to working online for myself. It's taxable. There's no door-to-door. There's no quotas to meet. No bugging family and friends. Computers, all I needed was basic computer, and I mean basic because I really don't know anything about computers. The training that was sent to me is step by step, and when I was done that, I was very confident I could work on a computer and do this business. All I needed was a Wi-Fi and a smartphone or laptop or iPad. I could do this business from absolutely anywhere at any time, and like I said, I only needed those. We have a large community and everybody gets their own mentor and own coach to work with. And they're right from the beginning, we're all here for you. If you want to learn more about this opportunity, again, it is complimentary. There's no obligation. Jump on that sign up button below, register with a name and an email, and that information will be sent to you. Alrighty, that's it for now. Take care. Cheers. I'll see you on the other side. Bye.